Discover the advanced engineering of Hirose's FH82 series, a high-performance, one-action FPC connector designed for compact, high-demand applications. Key features of the FH82 series include an ultra-low profile design with a height of just 0.65 millimeters and a pitch of 0.25 millimeters, ideal for space-constrained applications. A one-action automatic locking design compatible with robotic assembly equipment, reducing assembly time. This feature also improves manufacturing logistics by removing the risk of actuator damage during the transport of subcomponent assemblies. A wiping design contact preventing dust intrusion, reducing the chance of signal failure in demanding environments. High FPC retention force, with the lock levers firmly securing the FPC for improved reliability even with small pin counts. Camera and visual inspection areas confirming proper insertion, guaranteeing complete mating. Operating temperature range of -55°C to 85°C, ensuring durability in various environments. Environmentally friendly, halogen-free design complying with IEC 61249-221 standards. Perfect for advanced electronic systems, including portable devices, wearable technology, and other compact applications where space, reliability, and performance are critical. The FH82 series excels in delivering robust connectivity solutions. Stay ahead of the curve with the FH82 series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.